Hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm going to be showing you how to set up an account on SatoWallet app, how to log in, and then how to send or receive Bitcoin Gold on SatoWallet app. But first we're going to have to visit SatoWallet website at satowallet.com here. And then there are three versions of the app. There is one on App Store, one on Google Play Store, and there is the PC version. And we're going to use the PC version right now because they have the same interface, and I've already installed the PC version on my PC. So here's the PC version, and if you don't have an account, you can just click on register here to register. Here's your full name, email address, set up a password, and then referral emails if there are any referrals. And if you already have an account, then you can just go ahead and log in like I'm doing right now. So here, it's gonna take some seconds to log in. Okay, you see here right now, this is my my balance, and it's in USD. And okay, you can either scroll down to look for a coin, or you can just use this search bar right here. Okay, we're gonna use Bitcoin Gold, and here's Bitcoin Gold. And you can just type Bitcoin Gold here. Bitcoin, yeah. Okay, all the bitcoins will show up. Then you can. Okay, this is Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold. Alright, here's my balance, my Bitcoin Gold balance, and my equivalent balance of this Bitcoin Gold in USD. So if you are sending, you go to send, type in your friend's address, the amount you're sending. Here's the fee deducted, which is low, and then you can add a transactions comment. Okay, here if you want to reduce the amount you're sending, you can just click here or click here. You don't need to like delete the whole numbers. And after that, you can just click transfer, and your transfer will begin. And then if you're receiving, you just go to receive, and the person you are receiving from, you have to scan this barcode right here or make use of this address to send you the coin. And okay, this here is exchange. Okay, that's the market, and here are the list of coins for exchange. Okay, Bitcoin Gold is BTG. Here is BTC to BTG, and then here is currency. Okay, I'm going to show you how to change your currency from one currency to another. Right now I'm using USD. Okay, I'm going to show you how to change. This is Canadian dollar. Say okay, and it's going to take some seconds to change. Good, currency has been changed. Okay, let's go back to my coins and see what happened. Okay, before here it was showing USD, and now it's showing Canadian dollar. Okay guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.